Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to get a browser on Roku. Let's go. There is no browser in the Roku App Store. What to do? Open Settings, Network, About. Check your network. Your phone and your Roku TV must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Turn on screen mirroring on your phone. Choose your Roku TV. Open browser or use Firestick or Chromecast with Google TV. The link to these devices in the description. That's it. Now you know how to get a browser on Roku TV. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.